Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I'm making a chicken pepperoni melt. All right, the first thing we have to do is make the pizza sauce for this sandwich, and you want to add a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then you want to add 3 cloves of garlic that have been minced. And then you want to add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. And I'll just roll off the rest of these ingredients here. You want a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 to 1/2 a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like your sauce, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. And once everything is in, you want to blend everything up until everything is nice and pureed together. Should have a nice, smooth sauce. And then pour this in a bowl. Okay, you can see here, these are the rolls we're going to be using for this these sandwiches. I just cut them in half, preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and I'm just going to pop them in for a couple of minutes, get them just a little bit toasted. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is add a layer of pepperoni. For this particular sandwich, I used about 9 pepperonis for each side. I believe I put the pepperoni on the bottom side. And then we want to add some sliced oven-baked chicken breast meat to the other half of the sandwich. This, I went about 3 slices deep. I don't know what that comes out to, but you make it as thick as you like. And then on the pepperoni side, and one of them I did on the chicken side too, you want to add a couple of spoonfuls of that sauce we made up. And now to both sides of the sandwich, you want to add some shredded whole milk mozzarella. Not the part skim crap. Get the good old whole milk shit. And then you just want to pop this into a 400 degree oven until the cheese is all melty and gooey and wonderful. I think I had them in for about 10 minutes or so. Obviously, where you live in the country is going to affect baking time. So yeah, we'll be back after they've been in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, as you can see here, cheese has been melted, everything's all wonderful. And now to finish it off, just another spoonful of that sauce that we made. Again, that's a little optional. You don't have to do that, but screw it. If you don't, your sandwich is going to be garbage. And one last little embellishment here. We want just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Just a little dusting, not too much. And some freshly ground black pepper on the other side. Again, that's optional. And then just put the 2 sides together. And now just take a knife and cut this thing in half. And that's it. A pepperoni chicken melt. Done.